If you've ever wanted to design a travel brochure that looks professional without hiring a designer, you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to use Canva to create a stunning travel brochure, step by step, using the latest 2025 features. By the end, you'll know how to take a template and turn it into something completely your own. Start by opening Canva in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, head straight to the search bar and type travel brochure. Canva will instantly pull up a collection of ready-made templates, each designed specifically for brochures. Take a moment to browse through them and look for something that matches the vibe of your destination, whether it's tropical, historic, adventurous, or luxury focused. Once you find a template that clicks with your vision, just click on it. You'll see a preview with all the elements laid out. Then hit Customize this template to jump into the editor. This is where the magic happens. You can click directly on any text box and start replacing the placeholder text with your own headlines, descriptions, or travel tips. Think about what will grab attention and what information your reader genuinely needs, like highlights, must-see spots, or package details. You can adjust fonts, sizes, and layout until the text feels balanced and easy to read. Canva has a massive font library, so don't be afraid to try a few until the style matches your theme. Next, move on to photos and graphics. If you already have images of your destination, upload them from your device and drag them right into the placeholders. Adjust them to fit the layout neatly. If not, Canva's built-in photo library gives you tons of options to work with. Pay attention to colors too. You can customize them to match the mood of beaches, cities, or mountain escapes. Once the visuals and text feel cohesive, take a moment to zoom out and preview the brochure as a whole. This quick check lets you catch any misaligned elements, awkward spacing, or font inconsistencies. Make small tweaks until everything feels polished and intentional. When you're happy with the final design, go to the download button and choose your preferred format. PDF is usually best for printing or sharing digitally. Then you're ready to send, post, or print your brochure. And that's all it takes to create a beautiful travel brochure in Canva using the 2025 tools. If this helped spark ideas or gave you the confidence to create your own design, stick around for more Canva tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.